Hey, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Let's give you our levels for this morning. Our pivot this morning is 69.88. 69.88. Upside resistance at 93, 7,000, 12, 23, 34. Downside support at 79, 70, 59, 49, and 40. Pivot 88, support 79, 70, 59, 49, 40. Upside resistance at 93, 7,000, 12, 23, and 34. All right. See what the day brings.
Did you have 65 on the downside?
79, 70, 59. Oh, do I have it separate? I'm sorry.
Did you have 59?
59, 49, and 40.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Let's see here. The day brings. I don't know what happened to the bond market though, man. It's an interesting little move there in the bond market. Let's see if we can try to figure out what came out here at 9 o'clock. Or 7:30, I should say. Let's see. Well, ADP 8:15. That's about it. All right, ADP coming out today. That means maybe unemployment on Friday. Getting back on track here with unemployment Fridays, first or close to the first of the month. We'll see. As the market upticks here, we're looking at the 93 area. Factory orders, ISM services coming out at 9 o'clock. So a couple of numbers here to contend with. Just missed out on our 93 by a couple of ticks here. It's still in the first bar, so a little bit of volatility here. The first bar as always, but just missed out on our 93 by just that much. All right, so be a little bit careful there at 92. All right, so we have a couple numbers coming out here, 9 o'clock. ADP came out at 8:15 this morning, so maybe that created a little push up there. 116 handle. All right, what's the yield on the third tens at around maybe 410? See. Yeah, well, drifting back down there, right there, blue band, green band, they're all on top of each other. That doesn't bode too well for volatility. Is what it is. So maybe a little support right in here if you're a little aggressive. Otherwise, wait for the 79 on the downside. A little support here at 85 if you're very aggressive here a little bit. Repeat the levels again. Those of you who might come in a little late. That pivot this morning is 69.88. 69.88. As we're trying to uptick here a touch against our blue band. And it's a little bit of a scalp here. Support below at 79 is 70, 59, 49, and 40. Upside at 93, 7,000, 12, 23, and 34. Oh, they're there in the chat. Thanks, Don. Appreciate it. All right, nice little rotation there against the, if you did jump in there against our blue band. All right. So we have a couple numbers coming out here at 9 o'clock. You can see it's been very, very quiet overnight. Very, very quiet. It is what it is. Again, rally markets very difficult. They don't. They suck the volatility out of the market. Becomes very sidewinding, very slow, one-way trade. Yeah. So, all right, our blue band, green band, the area held very nicely for us, giving us a nice little scalping opportunity if you did jump in. All right, now we rotating back up here, the 93 area. VIX trading at a 15 handle. I tell you, when they start rallying, they just suck the volatility right out of the market. Very tough little trade. All right, coming back up here to these 93 areas or area of support, resistance, I'm sorry. See what it wants to do here. If we get up here. Can't believe we're talking about a 7,000 handle after that, or 70 handle, I guess. Anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. We don't mind questions. And we just can't seem to get to that 93. Come back up here again. Gotta be a little bit careful here at 93. If we do, this bar closes and we go and retest. We do have a couple numbers at 9 o'clock, ISM services and factory orders. All right, this basically kind of staying in the same range we've been at most of the evening, most of the overnight trade for that matter. All right, come back up here. See what it wants to do. 93, still doable. A little bit riskier, but still doable. All right, coming up back up here. Okay, I'm gonna a little bit. Let's see if we can get it before the bar closes. Okay, it's trying. All right. All right. Kept the 92. See what it wants to do here. Hopefully somebody got filled up there against the 92. Quick little rotation there against 92 if you got filled. Okay, get the 93 here. Then up to 95, obviously. Maybe take the 94 if you extended it a little bit. Otherwise, just be a little bit patient here and look for our next level on the upside there at 90, at 870, the 7,000, I guess. If I look at it, we'll take the 94 here, working it a little bit. Trying to give us a little bit of something here. As usual, always keep your stops in place. All right, just kind of hanging up here on these interim highs. Okay, just kind of hanging here. Next level on the upside we're looking at is up at 7,000. Big number, big number. Okay, continue to uptick here a touch. Again, you have to consider time factor when you're holding on to those 93s. We talk about that all the time. Don't like the price action, especially these rally markets. They don't sometimes give us the rotation that we would like. Give us a little bit, but nothing too spectacular. All right, continue to slowly uptick here, looking at the 7,000 level. Okay, got up here to 98 and a quarter. It's going to be one of those days. All right, well, we got up to 98 and change. Coming back down here, we did go we did bounce off of our blue band, green band area there at 85. If you did get long or push up here, and now we're just kind of floating back a little bit. And there are the levels in the chat. You put them. Oh, all right. Well, turning over here a little bit. A little support. Well, we do have a number coming out here at the top of the hour, so let's see what those numbers bring in. And again, number top of the hour, a couple numbers top of the hour. All right, just kind of hanging here on these. We're on the upper range here. We got a couple numbers coming out here. Top of the hour. See what that brings to the table. But again, these rally markets, very, very slow. They don't don't move the markets too much. They get very high range and they don't give us the rotation we're looking for. Yeah, it is what it is. At some point, the markets will go down, right? What goes up must come down. Well, that's what they say. And you can tell we're trading trading it a long time, so just gotta be patient. Again, we are scalping mini S&Ps. We're looking for opportunities to scalp based on the levels we gave out this morning in addition to any price action trades. Combination of both of those gives us our setups, our opportunities to scalp the market, and we're looking to take advantage of ebbs and flows, try to scalp it for about 2 to 3 points depending on volatility. Obviously, there are the levels in the chat. Looking for those opportunities off of those areas. Sometimes we get a lot. No, we average about 4 to 5 trades a day, but again, average is a key word there. Try not to overtrade. Trade commissions at the nice amount here, not overtrade and not create too many, give too much commissions to the brokerage firms for no reason. So try to minimize our exposure and not overtrade. Key factor here. All right, just still range bound. All right, the number right now is out. Market rotating down here a little bit. Coming down here to the 85 again as our green band right now. Yeah, a little bearish there in the bond market as well. Yeah, rotating quickly, coming down there. Settlement price is right. Oops, right here at 80. a 87.75 coming right down here to our settlement price. Also our pivot here at 88. A little bearish on the number. Bonds don't like it, that's for sure. Our first support level on the downside is down there at the 79 area. Factory orders and ISM services. Okay. One of them was bad. Maybe both were bad. All right. 79, our first support level here on the downside. And going down to our green band there. Okay, quickly rotating down there, looking at 79 as the first support level. Bonds really don't like it. Okay, we're playing down, looking at the 79 area. All right, well, again, market's a little bit of pressure here because of this couple numbers that came out. Looking at the 79 on the downside, a little bit of support. Did not get us up to that 7,000 level, got up to 98 and a quarter. Just some of you got in a little bit early there. Maybe you did okay. Now we're looking at the 79 area there as our first support level. Well, we got down to that is at about 83 change. Hop back up here a little bit where we're looking at the 79. Seems like it's going to be one of those range days, and we're just going to be missing out on our stuff by just that much. Bonds are recovering a little bit, so the S&Ps, even though S&Ps is a very tight little range. Again, all we can do is be patient and wait for an opportunity, and sometimes we're going to just miss them by just that much, and then we have to make adjustments to minimize the exposure because it became a little bit riskier. But yeah, it is. That's the name of the game right now. As we're basically staying in this range that we've been at overnight. Tried to extend. We had a level there, but we didn't get filled, so we got to be patient and wait for the market to give us an opportunity to trade. Okay, if you ask me if the 7,000 still in play, I'd say it is a little bit. All right, now we're coming back here to the settlement price and kind of just trading on both sides of that now. 88 pivot is also close. That's the settlement price as well. 87.75 is the settlement price. So right around that pivot area there is the settlement price. So it's kind of just trading on both sides of that. Exceptionally quiet. See if we can get a run down to the 79 area. The thing we can do is be a little bit patient and wait for opportunities. Anybody has any questions?
Hey, quick shout out for those that are joining us through our socials. Join us live at daytradingmarkets.org if you want to learn how to trade, or if you want to learn how to trade better. We're focused on price action here. S&P 500 E-mini. We can help you get set up with a practice trading account.
Area.
We can help you get set up with a practice trading account. If you need trading capital, when you pop in, let us know, but you have to log into Zoom. Follow the instructions, daytradingmarkets.org, pop right in. Check your email on a daily basis. You get a free access pass for a week. I did post today's coaching levels. And then I posted a little write-up of what we do here. We'll take a moment. While you're in our socials, like us, share us, repost us, like us, share us, repost us. That would be very helpful. Yeah, just go to
I'm trying to get
post
down
this
to
for you.
79 area. I don't know if it will or won't.
That's now in the bottom of your screens.
Normally range bound here.
If you have any questions, you can post them in the chat and send them. Don't be a fly on the wall. We have a nice group in attendance in our socials, so welcome aboard. We start here at 9 a.m. We go to 11. The afternoon session is for one-on-one coaching session. This is daytradingmarkets.org. We got 3 charts, 2 time frames for the S&P 500 E-mini and a 30-year bond chart. We look to trade and scalp the S&P 500 E-mini to make money. We go long and short, depending on the action of price. We set the table for
All
the
right,
morning session by setting
pushing
key
down here
coaching
to the
levels.
79 area.
The coaching levels are
That'll
posted
give us a
in the
little bit
chat
of a pop
area.
here.
based on our socials.
And work in the 79 area here a little bit. And now we're in there at 79. See where it wants to go. It's definitely not liking that number after
Hey, why don't our socials like
9
us, share us,
o'clock.
repost
They
us?
broke it down pretty good. Then came back down, retesting their interim lows as well. All right, if you did get the 78 there,
Yeah, why are our
and paid off
socials?
here a
Yeah,
little bit. There's
that'd be
a couple
very
points
helpful.
there against our
You can bookmark
79.
us, go to our homepage, home base in the social you're coming in on, and then like us, share us, repost us, heart us.
All right, and then see if we can get a little bit more out of this if we can. Sure you keep your stop in place. We did get down at 78, so our next support level on the downside we have here is down at 70. And we got down right down to 78 there. If you had your just scale them down there at 78 as well, you did okay.
Yeah, come on over. You got a free access pass for a week to come into our services. If you're serious about being an entrepreneur and trading, join us.
And the next support level now we're looking at is down at 70. All right, we got a nice little double bottom there at 78. Nice little pop finally if you did hold on. And otherwise looking at the 70. 70 area next is our next support level. Little resistance around that pivot area there at 88.
Hey, quick shout out to Larita. Hey, Larita, I'm gonna have to let you go for being non-responsive. Darius, let me know if you're back. Free to pop back in when your communication on your end is working. For those that are joining us through our socials, we're going to be coming out of this morning's reach out. You want to be part of what we do, how we do it, why we do it, join us live in daytradingmarkets.org. Thank you. Join our socials, like us, share us, repost us. And you can come on over now if you'd like. Just put daytradingmarkets.org in. We're still on. We're still